when center lies on x axis and origin lies on the circle, this is case 5. Now, when center lies on x axis and origin lies on the circle, then coordinates of center h comma k becomes r comma 0. H is equal to r and k is equal to 0, and radius of circle is equal to r. Now, this distance from the origin from O to this part, it is already r, radius. This is the radius of circle. So, we will be taking coordinate of h as r. Now, equation of circle, it becomes now x minus r whole square, because h we are having r, plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to r square. Now, required equation, is now we are having x square plus y square minus 2 rx is equal to 0. This is the required equation for a circle.